Hey guys, I hope y'all good. So today we're going to Umhlonyane kaYoli, and honestly I'm very excited. I've been waiting for this Umhlonyane, guys. When last did I see her? Our theme was literally a black dress, tawla lamabinga type sheep, and a bonnet. So that was the theme. And then yeah, at what time is it now? Now I think it's like only 3. It's not even 3 yet. But anyways, our time to Hlangana is like 5. I'll try take as much videos as I can. I'll try my best, guys. I'll try my best. And it also depend on the lighting. If the lighting is good, then the more videos, you know the vibes. But if the lighting is horrible, guys, I'm sorry. And also my battery runs out very fast. So I pray that everything goes well. And yeah, y'all know me and my bonnet, guys. Okay, much love. I appreciate the love y'all gave me in my last video. And hopefully y'all will enjoy my upcoming ones. And stay tuned and enjoy.
So yeah, I was on my way to pick up 2 of my friends, and then after we'd be on our way to meet the rest of the gang.
Say hi, Boosie. Hi, Marshall.
And obviously, I know pretty people only. Oh my god.
Then here we had arrived and linked with the whole gang, and obviously some of us are selling our nails, and other people they're packing. You know, we're getting prepared, getting ready to go, guys.
Off we go, off we go. Azulu samparamela, engakalazi, angimana mseliwo, manawina hatata, mana mseliwa.
I guess I was a figure at the location. Nangu kusingane esina. Ngathi-ke nami ngithi ukuhlaba okusathunya.
guys, yeah. Ngizotrenda.
Never ke lapho ke mama never. Hayibo selikajena.
So okay guys, we were given a room and honestly guys it was so cozy and it was so comfortable. And Mr. Sege la.
So now we're on our way to get Lolat. Sihlole koka silalanga.
Hayi ke bese sengiphuma ukuyohlolwa ke lana. Here is my makeup artist, yeah guys, and yeah, she is standing on business. She is doing my makeup. She is serious. She is petting me. But anyways, I am so grateful.
Hi guys, how are y'all? So like I'm back and my makeup is done and it was done by Usno Wusip to my good. I will write her Insta down below. Oh my gosh guys. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I get Imina, look guys. I know, even I can't recognize myself. And this is the family. I am so grateful for each and every one of them. This is Lana guys, and honestly we were it was right. The food, it was delicious, it was yummy. Now you're seeing guys, I
Mazumuzong pagamela, zong pagamele, galala, zong pagamela.